I'll send you the camera, shall I? Throw it out there. Can you go and get it for me, please?
Take it, hey, take it, Dad. Take it.
Right, here we go.
No? Oh my gosh. Still filming. Is that film that? Oh my. Can't do these fun. But my balls. Oh. Hello. Oh.
Still working. That's alright, isn't it? Aldi. It's an Aldi waterproof camera. Is that pretty cool or what? You reckon?
Yeah.
Good camera? Would you buy one of these cameras from Aldi?
No way.
Yep.
No
You
way,
would?
because they're from Aldi.
Why? What's wrong?
Aldi's cool, bro. Aldi's expensive.
That's right. That's the way to get sponsorship money.